Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, actually not welcome back because this is my first video. But anyways, so I turned the music off because it was too loud and you could not hear my tiny voice. Tiny, soft voice. Anyways, so I will be just putting on some clothes. Like, I guess this is pretty cool, but like, what the hell? I don't like getting dizzy though. Okay, let's try something else. Oh, and I also have a cold, so if you hear me like sniffling a lot, like that means I'm just like a bit sick. Okay, so I go with a light red or this red. I guess this red's okay. Let's try that one. Oh yes, that's pure style. Let's find some pants for you. Or a shirt. Yeah, here's a shirt. Here's a good shirt. And some pants. We'll put on maybe these pants. Yeah, they're pretty good. Or we could just put on the shorts. No, the pants look better. The shorts look like weird. Okay, so here we go. We are in my den, and yeah, and okay. So I'm just gonna change my look into my main look now. Okay. I guess yeah. Look how tomboyish all my looks look. Is that normal for me? Like, since I'm a girl or something? Not really sure, but like, I'm wearing a mohawk. Seriously. Gosh, this is weird. Very weird indeed. Okay, so this is my bedroom, and yes. Yeah, so okay, so I didn't have a chance to look at the news, and when I did, it got out of it, and it said I needed to reload during the time it was. Gosh, just press the wrong thing. I haven't played Animal Jam in ages, so yeah, that's one of the reasons. Oh, I want one. Sabertooth. Here. I'm not sure. Oh, they're pretty cool. With the play, like, cruise ship party, yay! I haven't been to that party in ages. It left like ages ago. Let's go. What the hell? I don't want to go to that party. That party sucks. And I wanted to buy the weird animal with a big fat teeth. But look at it. Look. I have 1 diamond. How is that possible? What is going on here? Okay. Anyways, so let's change it actually. I kinda like this den better. We'll go to the castle. Oh my gosh, sorry guys, I'm half asleep. Ooh, Greely, I love Greely. Just putting it out there. See, I have his armor and everything. Look, see this mannequin right there? It's weird, like, how I have a mannequin. I'm so, like, weird how when I look at them, I'm just like, who made that? They must be blind. And I'm just like, I just call myself blind. Like, yeah, you know what I mean? No. Yes, a dabby horse. The hell? I can't find it. I went exactly past it, though. Oh, there it is. Here we go. Oh, I can hear my computer overheating, but that doesn't matter, really. I don't really mind. So, here's a tour around my house. So, you see these 2 gems? Yep. And then you go up here. Because I'm the daughter of Greely. And then there's a fountain there. And a boomsy tree. All the alphas. And I usually go like that because I get to see Greely. Anyways, so There's Greely there. There's Greely. Anyways, so there is pizza there, and I'm not sure how that is what to do with Greely, but that is because I got that from our Greely mission. That thing, and I'll be telling you where you can get those in a second. Because of the outfits, and I actually got Cammy's Fogger, and I actually just asked someone if they could give it to me, and they actually did. They must have thought it was like a plushie, like not a better or anything. Anyways, so up here I have that wanted poster. Like, what if that phantom slime stuff falls onto my feet? Like, seriously, legit threatened. That's why I only eat pizza. Dun 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 dun. Okay, anyways, I have this creepy house thingy. It's where I work. I capture phantoms, as you can see. And this is Hedwig. Comment down below if you know who Hedwig is, because I love Harry Potter, and I will be showing you what my room looks like. It's filled with Harry Potter stuff, just putting it out there. I'm English and I like Harry Potter. That's 2 things about me, lol. Anyways, so, yep. Gosh, what did I do there? Oh, that's my Greely bag. So guys, this was not a video you can thumbs down. This was me touring around my room and telling some stuff. Like, just saying random stuff. Because this is my first video. I'm not sure how to do it. And I saw this other Animal Jam videos and got this. I downloaded this app where you could record your screen. And then I had nothing planned and I just started recording, and yeah, so comment down any video ideas, like, that would be really helpful. Also, I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I will be shouting out the ideas of the video. So yeah, and this is a shout out to Animal Jam HQ, and this is also a shout out to Apari. Check out his channel if you haven't yet. Pretty famous. Oh my gosh, I'm not getting one at all. I did not realize how evil those looked. Not getting one ever. But just say, go to his dad, hang out with him, ask for an autograph. Wait, you can invite a friend to what? Gosh. Okay, so, this is not the end of the video. I just found out this, so, while shouting out, I found out that you see Greely there, anything with Greely, I would accept. But like, look at this. Let's just read this out. Psst. If you tell a friend about Animal Jam, I will offer you an award. If they become a member, I will give you something extra. Whoa! Okay, so this is pretty cool, to be honest. That's actually cool. I want to get an award, and everyone wants to get an award. So, if you want to get an award, just tell someone about Animal Jam. I'll tell my friends about it, even though I'm very old for Animal Jam now. Very, very old for Animal Jam, but you know, I just want the award, and I'm teaching you kids about Animal Jam. So you guys just keep jamming and having fun on Animal Jam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!